We are now here in what area is this? What area is this again?
Pagdagang Mall of Asia.
Oh, we are now here at Mall of Asia, the biggest mall in the whole Asia. We are now here at the Mall of Asia. I am with my sisters. We are just waiting for my sister. Now we are going with my sister to find my niece and my brother because they came early. Following my two sisters. We are here in Mall of Asia. We are walking towards the entrance because we need to have lunch. And is still waiting for my other sister from the hotel because we came earlier here. Wildflower restaurant. Kaya nga dapat doon tayo, oh. Why did we left that spot? They can easily find us in that spot. We're trying to locate each other because we went to the duty free this morning and then we had to bring all the stuff we bought from the duty free. We bring it to the hotel and now we are here at the Mall of Asia for lunch, but we did not take taxi altogether because the taxi is not enough. So we are here waiting. We are here waiting for each other. Now we are getting inside the mall.
Wrong.
This is the exit. We made a mistake of entrance. We should pass here on the other side. Now we are here at the Mall of Asia. We are looking for my brother and my niece because they came earlier here. Mall of Asia. There is Mall of Asia. We are now inside. It's cold. It's cooler here because there is aircon. Everybody's eating.
Oh my goodness.
Where can we find them? People are busy eating. Saan daw yun? Sa next building? Next building ba yan?
Bakit may service ba?
Wow, thank you. They're trying to get a car to bring us on the other building because of Asia. Mall of Asia is really so huge. So this security guard is very nice. He's trying to get a car to bring us there. Oh, how nice he is.
Oh, wala na ganito.
So you have to wait here for the longer card so you can we can ride, yeah. Because I'm a senior. I'm a senior. I cannot walk that long because this mall is really so huge. Oh, thank you. Oh, the security is so nice. They inform the cart responsible for the ride. Thank you. Now we are waiting for the cart ride.
Hello. Napayat din naman ako. Dan by the adi nga agaminilan I'm showing you the easiest one.
Debri mabada. I think we have to walk. I think we have to walk to find my sister. We have to find my sister on the other building. Oh my God.
Senior na.
Anyway, I have to stop my video here. See you on the next video, guys.
Ano, i-diretso pa kami dito. How far?
Hanapin lang ako. Sige lang.
Thank you. Saan banda?
Diretso mo lang po kayo, then tawid sa kabila. Petros po tayo, kaliwat tayo.
Ay, labas kami sa building nila sa Rods.
Okay. Okay, we need to walk.
Mahalit yung baba dito. Alam ko sa Manila.
We are now here. We are in Manila. I'm not in the city where I live. So this mall is a different mall. This is what we call Mall of Asia, the biggest mall in the. Bakit eternal?
Adim din pa internet. Hinaan mo na siya. Yeah. There's more. I'll show you. Bye. Tadi mitulot yun. Yung naman, ito dun. Nakalaksakan na.
Now we are walking towards my sister on the other side of the building. Because this is the biggest mall of Asia in the Philippines. Dahil ni Anta, di ma-distract eh. There is my sister, she's walking ahead. Now we are out of the building to see my other sister. We are hide and seek each other. We have to look for each other because this is really huge building. So we are crossing, and I need to end up here my video.